sure everyone's seen these before, but if you haven't seen these, they're bloody brilliant. Just slot them on onto your gas canister, give it a bit of gas, bang. Brilliant for starting fire, I tell you. Just makes life heaps easy. I mean, put enough dry stuff under there, it's going to light pretty easy anyway, but anyway, we got to go. Awesome. They use bugger all gas too. Too easy. Chinka.